So over here you can see that I have the task list and the Gantt chart associated with it right here because I'm in the Gantt chart view. And over here for different tasks like brainstorming, story line and so forth, you can see that I have assigned resources for them as well. But if you want to see a resource specific chart, then you can go around onto the team planner section. And once you do that, you can see the resources on the left side like scriptwriter, storyboard artist, and according to the timeline right here, you can see the task assigned onto them. For example, for cinematographer, you can see that shooting is assigned onto them right here and the time scale is set to days. You can also set it to weeks right here. You can set it to months over here as well and see everything in much more detail as you can see right here. You can zoom in right here as well so that you can fit it up over here. So if there's any unassigned tasks, then it'll show up right here. But over here, you don't see any unassigned tasks. But if you want to reallocate tasks as well, for example, let's say I want to change around the tasks for the storyline writing, for example, to the storyboard artist, then I can right click and reassign this to the storyboard artist right here, and you can see that it moves down right here depending on the date that is assigned for this particular task. You can also click and drag out and change around the timeline as well, just like this. So you can go around, click and drag it as you can see right here, and change around the task timeline as well. If I were to right click and reassign this to unassigned, then it moves below as you can see. And now you know that this task is not assigned to anyone. And in case you haven't assigned certain tasks to anyone, then it'll show up right here. And then you can go around and assign it to someone just by clicking and dragging, or by right clicking right here and by clicking on reassign to, and then by choosing the person that you want to assign, the resource that you want to assign the task to. And that is how you can go around and utilize the team planner inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.